Oras na naman ng laro ni Bobiano. Ayan guys. Hello. Hi. Hi ka sa camera. Vlog tayo. Vlog po kami. Vlog po kami ni Fabian. Nanonood po siya. Ayan o. Ayan ang trabaho niya. Nanonood lang siya. Ayan. Say hi ka sa vlog. Sabi mo, hi vlogs. Makulit na po ako ngayon. My ABC. That's sing with me. Yay!
Where is the bird?
Ganyan siya, guys.
Can you say I don't know?
Pag pumasok na si mama niya,
Can you do that?
maglalaro na kami.
I don't know.
Yan ang buhay naming maglola.
Let's call him to come
Si
out.
Fabiano.
Bird.
Buti hindi siya umiyak ngayon. Are,
The bird
makumambo.
was in the tree. Now he
Birds
came
and the
out.
tree.
He was in the tree.
Nanonood siya, guys. Ayan.
Slowly, slowly, very slowly.
Yan ang
creeps the
pinapanood
garden
niya.
snail.
Hi ka na.
Slowly,
Hello.
slowly, very slowly
Agoy.
up the wooden rail. Quickly, quickly, very quickly, runs
Hello
the
ka.
little mouse.
Hello
Quickly,
po.
quickly, very quickly into his little
Kamusta
house.
po kayo?
And that was fun. Let's do it
Dali.
again.
Dila na siya.
Slowly, slowly,
Tinutubuan ng ipin.
very
Kaya ganyan siya
slowly creeps
panay
the
naglalaway.
garden snail.
Magdidila-dila.
Slowly, slowly, very
Nangangagat.
slowly.
Yan siya. Nangangagat.
Quickly,
Antok
quickly,
na.
very quickly, runs
Hanap
the
na
little
ng
mouse.
diding
Quickly,
yan.
quickly, very quickly into his
Tulog
little
na
house.
yan.
That was fun. We were quick like a mouse. and
Nanonood
you'd be
siya.
quick, quick, and slow like a snail. Quick, quick like the mouse, and slow like the snail. Good job.
Panggabi kasi mama niya, guys.
Itsy
Tapos,
bitsy spider
ang
went
uwi
up the
umaga.
water spout.
Kaya
Down
yan.
came the rain and washed the
Naglalaro-laro
spider
siya.
out.
Pag matagal kasi siya matulog sa araw, kaya agad siya nakakatulog sa gabi. Kaya ayan, maglalaro muna kami.
Let's do that again.
Nanonood.
Itsy bitsy spider went up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sun
Kurek-kurek.
and dried up all the rain.
Kurek-kurek.
Itsy bitsy spider went
Tawa naman yung vlog natin, oh.
again.
Hi vlogs!
With your
Hello
spider.
vlogs! Kamusta?
Can you pretend to be toast with me?
Hi!
I'm toast in the
Hello!
toaster.
Hi,
I'm
hi, hi,
getting
hi.
very
Say
hot.
hi. Hi!
Tick tock, tick tock,
Tick tock, tick
I've
tock.
popped.
Hi ka.
Let's do that
Hi.
again.
Hi mo na
That
vlog.
was fun.
Oh, yung mugoy.
I'm toast
Hello.
in the
Hello,
toaster.
Kamo. Hello.
I'm getting very
Hello!
hot. Tick tock, up I
Up.
pop. Did you pop up like
Ayan
toast?
siya.
Good job!
Good
You did it!
job.
Say, I did it!
Ay,
I
naghahakay
did
na.
it!
Hikab na kasi ano na. 10 na ng gabi. Paantok na siya. Mamatulog na maya-maya. Nagrarambol. Laro Yan ang ginagawa namin, guys.
Okay, let's try to tiptoe.
Laro.
Are you ready? Tiptoe, tiptoe.
Thank you for watching, guys. See you our next vlog ni Fabian. Ang kulit na agyapogan.
Now we stop.
Bye-bye na. Say bye-bye.
We're so good at this.
Bye-bye.
Okay,
See you my
Let's
next
try marching.
vlog.
Are you ready? Marching, marching, marching.
Shout out
marching.
everyone. Bye-bye. Hello, si Sekoy Akanta. Thank you for watching.
Running, running, running. Now we stop. Now we stop.